I have 22 paying clients and made about $30,000 with zero ad spend. So it's all net profit right there. So 30K in the bank is great. When I first started $500, it was too cheap that I had everyone sign up. And they even told me, like, I think you should have priced it. The people that signed up even told me, I'm surprised you priced it so low. And then I bumped it to 1,000 and the conversion was still just as good.
That's good. And how long is your course? 5 modules?
There are 5 modules, exactly.
Nice. And it's complete now. The whole
It's
thing.
done. It's done. I'm adding certain things here and there, but the people that have done it, they say the class is really good. They're very happy so far, everyone, and I'm getting testimonials from them now. I'm going to add to my page, but so far so good.
Amazing. Yeah, you're doing everything. You followed the journey so far, step by step, and you're doing everything just the way we planned it. It's good.
Thank you very much.